I started my shop in 1985, so I've been in a lot of different shops. I've used a lot of different compressors. Prior to this, we were always using just the regular piston-style compressor.
Kaeser compressors, you know, they're really nice, they're small, they're quiet, very efficient. You turn them on and it literally fills a couple miles worth of air line.
It's great, no matter where we go in the shop. We got hose reels everywhere in the assembly room, body shop, our sandblasters hooked to it and everything. And no matter where you hook up, you always got air. You don't have any problems with it whatsoever. It works really, really good. I'm really, really happy with it.
So the central energy that these compressors are able to give our shop when it comes to air, I got the body man down here, I got Will painting a car, I got another body man over there, he's busting Bondo with a Bondo hog. I can have Dave over there working on one of the cars at the front of the shop, or two of them, filling up the tires or taking the wheels off of it with an impact gun, going like crazy, air buffing the other day he was doing. Mike's over here disassembling a K-member or an engine with half-inch impacts, and absolutely not one complaint from one person saying we're low on air. And in the past, you'd have somebody in there bitching saying you got to do something about the air. Well, I got bigger fish to fry than the air. Okay, no pun intended.
So every car we paint here, they're high-dollar Mopars, rare cars. Every one we do has got to be perfect, and having this air compressor system allows that to happen.
One of the biggest things for us, being we're a body and paint shop, is the cleanliness of that air, how sanitary that air is. Our whole shop, we had dryers throughout the whole building, but none of them actually dried it. You could still get water coming out of your paint gun.
You know, we got some really high-end muscle car Mopars, just like this one right here, 426 Hemi 70 Charger RT. I mean, a one-of-a-kind car. It's so nice having the Kaeser compressors here, because every time you hook up, you need to use air, work on the tool, hook any tool up to it, whether it be a DA, ratchet, impact, anything, everything works just fine.
Kaeser came in and they helped us out with putting together a system. So we didn't have a system before, we just had an air compressor and we had lines. They said, no, there's a theory behind it, there's math behind it, there's, you know, engineering behind it.
The traps that they have on them, it's clean air that comes through. The dryers that they have installed with them work perfect. I don't get any water through my air lines, so every paint job comes out perfect. No drips, no airs like that. We don't get any type of contaminants that come through the lines at all. Works out perfect every time.
They set us up with the exact way that this place could run efficiently, and it does right now. For us, it was the right answer. I'm glad I did my research. I looked around, and when I made the decision to go with the Kaeser, I think it was the right one.